Today, I'm reviewing Make.com versus n8n, which workflow automation is worth it in 2026. And if you juggle tasks every day, from syncing data to triggering AI actions, this comparison will help you choose the right automation platform based on real-world use, common frustrations, and what actual users are saying online. Starting with Make.com, this tool is built for people who want fast, no-code automation with a visual drag-and-drop builder and thousands of ready-made integrations that connect tools like Google Workspace, Slack, Shopify, and Notion in minutes. It's easy to learn and gets you up and running quickly, especially if you're not technical. But the convenience comes at a price. Usage is billed per step or operation, and that can add up fast on complex flows. Then there's n8n, which shines when you want control, customization, and low cost at scale because you can self-host or run it in the cloud. Instead of paying for every tiny action, n8n charges per workflow execution and lets you write JavaScript logic and custom API calls, which power far more intricate and flexible automations. The trade-off is that it has a steeper learning curve and fewer native integrations out of the box. In real life, many users switch between them depending on their needs. One Reddit user said they started with Make for quick setups, but moved all their workflows to n8n because the cost and flexibility made it worth the effort, especially when self-hosting brought control and savings.
Another person noted Make's ease of use, but loved n8n's scripting freedom once they got comfortable. So, which is better for daily use in 2026? If you want fast, visual automation with minimal setup, Make.com is your friend. If you need powerful, customizable workflows with better pricing at scale, n8n is worth the learning curve. Most power users and dev teams actually use both depending on the job.